Hi, I'm Mike from Veteran Vehicle Repair. Today, I want to talk to you about something that's incredibly close to my heart. As a veteran, I've spent years away from home, deployed in places far from family and friends. During those times, receiving a care package was like getting a little piece of home. It wasn't just the items inside, the snacks, the letters, the essentials. It was a feeling of being remembered, of knowing that someone out there was thinking of us, supporting us. Now we have a chance to give that same feeling to our brave troops overseas. We've launched our military component shirt campaign, and we're aiming to raise $3,000 to send care packages to those who are currently serving far from home. Each shirt we sell for $25 goes directly into creating and sending these care packages. With every purchase, you're helping us send essential items and a message of support to our troops. We need to sell 120 shirts to reach our goal, and with your help, we can make a real difference. Think about the impact you can have. For just $25, you could bring a smile to a soldier's face, provide comfort during tough times, and let them know that they're not forgotten. This campaign isn't just about selling shirts. It's about showing our gratitude, our respect, and our unwavering support for the men and women who put everything on the line for us. So please, join us in this mission. Buy a shirt, share our campaign with your friends and family. Wear your pride for our military. Together, we can send 40 care packages filled with love and support. Thank you for standing with us, supporting our troops.